5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My name is Craig Tucker. I teach equipment operation and repair here at NCOC Grand Gorge. Students have the opportunity to earn many industry certifications, real life experiences, and hopefully some skills to lead them in a career choice of their choosing.
Yeah, they're going to learn to be able to, even if they don't go into the workforce, to be able to, that we offer here, they can learn basic skills that they can use outside, maybe in their own home or changing an oil in their car, to just some little life skills that would be beneficial to down the road.
Hi, my name is Olivia and I am a student here in the EOR class at ONC BOCES. I chose EOR because it has a little bit for me to learn of everything. I get to work with engines, I get to weld, we get to run equipment.
Hi, I'm Izzy. I'm a student in the EOR program at NCOC BOCES. I like that you could learn a little bit of everything. I think that's really good when you're going in outside of high school because you have a job opportunity anywhere you go. It's a lot of fun. We like to joke and have fun, but obviously we also learn a lot. Our teachers are really helpful in that and always are there to answer questions.
Hi, I'm Cassidy. I'm a student in the EOR program at NCOC BOCES. Don't be shy. Ask a lot of questions. You will make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because if you step foot in this door, you are bound to make mistakes and mess up, but that's the learning process in this classroom.
For more information about the Equipment Operation and Repair Program, please talk to your guidance counselor or visit oncboces.org.